Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And to my existing subscribers, thank you for your constant support. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cut a cut together sleeve top. So I'll be using this paper to demonstrate to you on how to cut top. The length of my blouse is 20 inches. I have the width of 12 inches. So I'm going to make use of everything because I'm going to cut the sleeve together with it. I will mark my neck width of 3 inches. I will mark neck depth of 3 inches as well. Then I'm going to connect it together. You can use your hand if you don't have a cut ruler. Don't forget, I said we are going to cut the sleeve together. So you are going to come down by 1 inch. Then you connect the 1 inch to meet with the neck width of 3 inches. It's very simple. This is the easiest way to do it. Just mark 6 inches for the sleeve. So you're going to mark a small line here for you to identify where the arm opening will be. Then you will mark the bust line of 8 inches. Then normal waistline is 17 inches. This is the length of the fabric. Then at 17 inches, you are going to use 38. 38 divided by 4, that's 9.5. So you mark 9.5 here. At the bottom, I'm going to use the biggest measurement, which is the hip line. 40, that's 10 inches. 10 inches. So you are going to add half inch to it. Then you are going to add half inch to it as well. For seam, mark 8 inches for the bust line. So here's the bust line. So we are going to mark the circumference with 9 inches. So that is 36 divided by 4. So that's 9 inches. Then you are going to add half an inch to it. So that will be 9.5. Remember, we mark half an inch here as well. Now we are going to connect it. We are going to connect the dots together down from here, from the half an inch here for the bust line. We're going to connect it down here to meet here. It's very simple to cut. This is it. Then you bring it down, mark a straight line down. This is the half an inch that we marked. We are going to connect it this way. Can connect it this way. So our blouse is ready. You can see it is very easy to make. It is not difficult at all. So let me reconnect the neckline. This is the neckline. Our top is ready. Cut together with sleeve top. So what we are going to do right now is to cut it out. I'm going to start cutting from the bottom. So you can start cutting from anywhere. I'm cutting it now. You can see where I start my cutting from. Like I said, you can start cutting from anywhere, either from the neckline or the slope area. And you cut your neck out. Sleeve top is ready. Simple to cut. This is it. Can you see it now? If you want to cut the back, all you have to do is to place this paper pattern on top of your fabric. Just place it on top of your fabric and trace it out. You can mark the same 3 by 3, but if you don't want to, if you want to cut the back neck, you can mark 3 by 2. Slit it at the back to attach your button. There's no need of leaving any space behind. All you have to do is to place it on your fabric this way, the way it is, without leaving any space. And you just slit it here. Give it 2 inches or 3 inches. So you'll be able to attach your button. So if you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. For those that have subscribed, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for your love and for your constant support. Thank you. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.